Real-world experience at the Branch Area Career Center. That's what you're going to find, whether you're going on to college, a trade school, or going right into the job market. Explore 5 career pathways in a wide range of fields. Explore your opportunities in the business management and marketing technology pathway.
I would definitely recommend BMMT as a class to take at Career Center just because I feel like it's really helped me figure out what I'd like to do.
I think it's important for students to try several areas of business because they're not sure when they go on to study at school which direction they might go in. Some students are very surprised to find out they have a real knack for accounting and really love working with numbers, while other students may find they really have a niche in the graphic design or advertising area and they're more creative. So this gives them a chance to try several different things and see what area of business is going to fit them.
The digital world is expanding so rapidly that it's creating computer and network technology job openings faster than trained people can be found to fill them. The tech industry is hot. It's among the decade's fastest growing job markets.
The students in my class have an unbelievable resume when they come out of high school. We're talking about 18-year-olds that have industry certifications, A+ certification, Net Plus certification. They have internships and OJT positions, and this gets them the job. It gets them at least the interview to get the job. My students end up becoming network administrators, the person who keeps the organization running, and sometimes they end up being database managers. I have computer programmers come out of my program. And they really are some high-demand, high-wage jobs.
I would recommend the Computer and Networking Technology program at the Career Center because of all of the hands-on training, as well as the participation in the youth clubs. I made it through all of the different levels of the competitions and made it up to a national level, and there I didn't place, but I did fortunately get another certification, a nationally recognized certification.
The culinary field is in great demand and provides unlimited opportunities. Did you know that the travel, tourism, and hospitality field is the #1 industry in the state of Michigan, and hospitality event management occupations are up 44%?
I believe any student that is interested in both culinary or hospitality management, becoming a business owner, should be interested in this program, because you get experience that you'll later on use for your professional career.
Employment of automotive service technicians is expected to increase because there's a high demand for mechanics with electronics and engine performance skills, and you get that experience in auto technologies.
The auto program at BACC helped me become a better person. It taught me skills that I can use every day in life. It taught me patience and how to work well with others, and I'm learning a skill that I can use the rest of my life, and there's always a job demand for an automotive technician.
A changing industry, collision repair. It's more than just piecing together a wrecked vehicle.
Collision repair is a 2-year program. The students will learn safety, tools, and basic body shop repairs. In the second year, we will concentrate more on refinishing, welding, structural and non-structural repair. In collision repair and finishing technologies, we do custom painting, airbrushing, and our latest technology is hydro dipping. Hydro dipping involves different types of coatings that you can put on to any hard surface. That could be wheels, dashboards, any type of hard surface that can be dipped in the tank. The most beneficial part of these techniques is that the students get hands-on training and experience. We get phone calls all the time from local body shops looking for help.
Career advancement opportunities are abundant in electrical technologies. There's an increased demand for electrical work, plus the electrical field is one of Michigan's top 50 jobs through 2022.
We cover residential, commercial, and industrial wiring systems, industrial motor controls, machine control wiring, and systems automation such as programmable logic controllers and robotics as well. So why would a student want to take this program? Well, if a student is interested in a high-skill, high-wage job, employment, this would be a really good position and a class to take.
I first learned about it from my brother, who took this class and got interested in electrical, and it started to run through my family. And it just kind of became a habit of loving what we do, and it's a great hands-on, and when I go to college, I plan on pursuing an engineering degree. So this class actually prepares me more than any other class here would for what I want to do.
As more companies incorporate robotics into their operations, the demand for high-paying careers related to designing, implementing, and using industrial robots is increasing.
The robotics program at the Branch Area Career Center is an industry-based program that focuses on Bacc, ABB, Kawasaki, and Motoman robotics. These students are developing skills for problem solving using math, science, and other logical processes, and our end result is to have them focus on developing their skills as engineers. They will be able to enter college or the workforce in a robotic field such as a robotic technician, a process engineer, mechanical engineer, or electrical engineer. This course is for our second-year seniors at the BACC that have been involved in our welding, CAD/CAM, electrical automation engineering technology, and our computer networking technology programs at the Branch Area Career Center. It is also available for high school seniors that are in our local schools that have an extra block available during their senior year. This course is for students who are looking forward to a degree in an engineering field.
It's the future. More and more every day, robotics become a part of our life, factories, everyday life. Everything's becoming automated, and it's just a great way to make money and be in touch with the future.
If you have good hand-eye coordination, there's a job waiting for you. Check out Welding Engineering Technologies. The demand for skilled welders in the U.S. alone is expected to outpace the supply by 200,000 individuals. That's a lot of jobs. Welders have a 15% job increase in Michigan through 2024, and a welding engineer's median wage is over $70,000. The future is bright in Welding Engineering Technologies.
This is a 2-year program. In the first year, we start out with stick welding. That's traditional arc welding. The students learn that, and then they also learn MIG welding, which is wire welding. In the second year, they learn TIG welding and more advanced CNC cutting, like here on our plasma cutter here. They'll learn how to program the computer to cut out intricate shapes that are used in industry. There's a potential for a lot of jobs in the welding industry. The average age of a welder is approaching retirement age, so there's a lot of job openings. You must have very good hand-eye coordination, be able to understand safety rules and be able to follow them. It's a very intense occupation. You have to be able to concentrate, but it's definitely a high-paying, high-wage job.
I like this program because it gives you a bunch of different opportunities to do good in real-world events and acquire a job. We learn how to do different groove welds and fillet welds, and it gives us the ability to get certified and find a job. And I'm doing OJT, and I have my own job thanks to the Career Center.
Everything we do in life is touched by design and manufacturing. Math, science, draw, design, visualize in 3D. The CAD/CAM program gives you the foundation for success in a variety of fields.
Our program is a consolidated computer-aided design class where we're able to take any object that we want, we can design it, we can draw it, and then we can build it. We call it from art to part. If you're the sort of student that likes to get to create new ideas, to create parts, this is the place to be.
Going through Branch Area Career Center, I'm able to do OJT, which I'm getting paid learning the same trade that I'm doing here. One time a week, I come here and we talk about what we learned to kind of inform everyone else about the real world.
Innovative medical technology, an aging population. The healthcare field expects job growth for the next 50 years. What can health sciences offer you?
First year, you gain a lot of the actual knowledge of health sciences to carry on into your second year. You learn about your vitals and your basic anatomy and physiology, and you also go into the patient's rooms, take vitals on them, and do other things that nurses would do. And then you also have possibilities to have college credits. In your second year, you can do Health Academy, where you do 2 days a week at a college course, and you do human and physiology for first semester and second semester. Taking the second year health science or like a health practicum, it really gave me a good look into the healthcare field, like what it's really about.
Both the law enforcement and criminal justice industries offer exciting and fulfilling career opportunities. With new advancements in forensic technology and the ever-evolving legal landscape, you can be assured that a career in criminal justice or law enforcement will truly be an experience of a lifetime.
Coming in right out in the very beginning of the program, we emphasize a lot of hands-on, real-world experience, taking them right out, getting them in the field as far as practicing traffic stops, doing crime scene investigations, looking for physical evidence as well as latent evidence. As we continue to progress through the school year, we work on leadership programs. We emphasize learning how to interact with a vast array of people, public speaking, proper writing. As a second-year student, the emphasis is placed on real-world practical application. Right from the very beginning of the school year, we assign you to different work locations. Every 9 weeks, you're going to rotate to a different element of the criminal justice system. You might start out working with a local law enforcement agency the first 9 weeks. The second 9 weeks, we're going to transition you over to work in the corrections department, whether it's at the Michigan Department of Corrections or maybe at the Branch County Sheriff's Department. A third 9 weeks, you're going to spend at the courthouse, where you have an opportunity to work with the judges, the bailiffs, and other court personnel, to include parole, probation, to give you an idea of how the entire system works.
When I complete this program, I want to go on to be a forensic scientist, and this program provides the experience to allow me to do that.
Responsible, independent students with a genuine interest in the field of education, such as in classroom teaching, special education, speech therapy, music instruction, art instruction, physical education, library media, or numerous additional careers in the education field may find the Education Academy the right program choice. Students in the Education Academy focus on a general theory about how children learn and grow, as well as participate in practical experiences to gain a realistic perspective about the demands and rewards of the education field. Students train under the supervision of an educational mentor in a variety of settings. Education Academy students are offered an additional opportunity to develop leadership skills and implement meaningful community service projects through membership in the Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America Youth Club. In addition, students are eligible to earn college credit and ACT Teacher Assistant certification. Through the Education Academy, students discover what type of job they want to pursue in the education field. Those going on to study in the field of education are better prepared for college because of the insights and exposure into the field of education obtained through their Education Academy experience. If you enjoy working with young children and want to understand how they develop and learn, the Early Education program could be for you. This activity-based curriculum is designed to promote a better understanding of child development and create interest in those students who may consider a career working with young children. Students will also have the opportunity to work directly with children in the BACC's TotSpot Community Preschool Lab, Head Start, and other local early education settings. Students also have the opportunity to earn up to 9 articulated college credits and 3 nationally recognized certifications. Certifications include a Child Development Associate Credential and the ACT Proficiency Certificate for Teaching Assistants. The Early Education Program at the BACC.
The first year of early education, you are hands-on, but you're learning more about the development of how kids work and how to really communicate with them and what it takes to really be a teacher. The second year, you get really deep into things like I am walking out as a senior with 6 articulated credits.
The outdoors in school? The Natural Resources and Agri-Science program at the Branch Area Career Center offers hands-on experience. You'll work outside, help raise animals, test soil and water quality, learn how to run an ag business, grow and market plants, and develop leadership skills for success in the job market.
We have first and second year programs here in our class, and in the first year we do mainly animal science. That would be genetics, reproduction, breeding. We actually have a full-scale land lab in which we have all species that we can experience with. It's hands-on all the time. In the second year, we do the same thing, hands-on. We're outside, where we're mainly covering aquaculture, plants, and natural resources, as well as ag business. We have an awesome opportunity that we can offer here in this class, in which if you're here for 2 years, and you receive the state FFA degree, which all of our students do, you get 6 credits, free credits at Michigan State University to use wherever you would like. We also have credits that can go to Glen Oaks and Baker College and other colleges as well. We also do a full tractor driver safety course in which you will be certified there, as well as PQA and other certifications.
You gain a lot of skills through this program. We do everything from ag mechanics to public speaking. We also do a lot of Excel management through like Word documents, plant growth, animal care, so really anything related to the agricultural industry. I would recommend this program because my mother came through it and my brother and I are going through it now. It really helps you develop a bond with the people that you interact with and gives you a valuable knowledge for your future.
I think students should consider choosing the Branch Area Career Center no matter what they're doing after high school, whether that is college of any type, military, or employment. Leaders across the state are saying that they would like students to have opportunities outside of the classroom to help them decide what their career choices are going to be, and the BACC provides those opportunities. At the BACC, we offer job shadowing opportunities, work experiences, and we also offer field trips that are connected to career and educational opportunities. So I guess I would ask, why wouldn't you consider coming to the BACC?
You get real-world experience at the Branch Area Career Center.
You get real-world experience at the Branch Area Career Center.
You get real-world experience at the Branch Area Career Center.
Real-world experience at the Branch Area Career Center.
You get real-world experience at the Branch Area Career Center.
You get real-world experience here at the Career Center, which you can't get anywhere else.